This is the Creality K2 Plus Combo, a large CoreXY 3D printer designed for faster printing, bigger projects, and multicolor workflow with the Creality CFS system. In this video, I'm taking a closer look at the setup, the overall design, the print quality, and how practical this machine feels in real use. One of the biggest highlights here is the large 350 by 350 by 350 millimeter build volume, which gives you much more room for helmets, prototypes, larger decorative prints, and multi-part projects with fewer compromises. Creality also lists print speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second and acceleration up to 30,000 millimeters per second squared. So on paper, this is clearly aimed at users who want both size and speed. The K2 Plus Combo also uses a CoreXY motion system, a direct drive extruder, and a hot end rated up to 350 degrees Celsius, with a heated bed rated up to 120 degrees. That means it's positioned as a more capable machine for a wider material range, including standard filaments and more demanding engineering options. In this review, I'll show you the printer itself, go over the setup experience, talk about print quality, and share my opinion on who this machine may be a good fit for. If you're looking at a serious large format 3D printer with multicolor capability, the Creality K2 Plus Combo is definitely an interesting model to check out.